our sailing series. This is our first English video, so let me introduce myself and tell you a bit about what's going on. My name is Helen and I've been sailing for already 4 years.
My name is Vasily and I'm traveling this boat already for 4 years.
Our babies, Olivia and Philip. This is our tiny boat. It's 10 meters sailing boat, Wanderstadt Pioneer. We bought it in Kiel in Germany, and this boat was built in 1972, but it's pretty strong. And let me take you for a little tour on our boat. Sorry for the mess. We are standing in the marina, and it's always a lot of work to do, so all the stuff always on the deck. Working. Electrical scooters, we have 2. It's the best solution for traveling. And here, Philip. Woohoo! Привет. And we have a space here. And during these 4 years we sailed from the north of Germany, from Kiel, through Atlantic Ocean, Portugal and Gibraltar to Mediterranean Sea. We are standing now in Club Nàutic. It's in Catalonia in Spain, and it's already 3 months since we arrived here, and as all the countries and all the borders are closed now because of the pandemic of COVID-19, we are waiting for the appropriate moment to start sailing here in the marina. We are the only family who is living on the boat here, so we are absolutely alone, and all the territory in the marina is just for us. Club Nàutic La Scala is an absolutely lovely place with everything you might need for comfortable living on the boat. Shops and walking areas are very close to the marina and can be easily attended. The marina staff is extremely helpful, and even during this lockdown the prices didn't rise for the high season for us, as everyone was experiencing difficulties with earning money. We are so thankful for that. We were very lucky to be here in La Scala all this time, and for sure I can recommend visiting this amazing place. This marina is very cozy, and we were lucky to find our place here in this pontoon, because right opposite our boat there are showers, and you just have to take few steps to take a shower. This is another place I love here. It's a very beautiful view of the city, of the evening lights, and the sun is going down right behind these buildings, and it's very beautiful. Now there are several restrictions due to quarantine, and we obey the rules, so there are only 1 person who can walk with kids, not more than 2 kids, and you can walk not far than 100 or 200 meters from your home, but as we are here absolutely alone and all the pontoons are empty, so we can walk maybe a little bit more. We are lucky that we are living on a boat at this difficult time, as we have a lot of privacy here and a lot of fresh air for kids. We don't hear any city noise, no cars, no music playing loudly. Just our kids, and it's like the same as on the anchorage, because we love to spend a lot of time on the anchorage. A lot of privacy, total privacy, I think. Okay, it's evening and it's time to take a little walk with kids. So we decided to take our electrical bikes. It's pretty cheap and it's absolutely essential for us right now, because we are using it almost every day. Okay. Woohoo! And this is the main marina building. Upstairs there is an office, and here is a harbor master sitting. The crane. Very cool, nice view.